Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video and update on Luna Classic. Wanted to do a full technical update on Luna Classic, but also wanted to share with you my thoughts on the fundamentals of Luna Classic. Can we actually still rally? Can we become bullish? Is there still any hope for Luna Classic? Those kind of questions. I think that's important to talk about. I'll give you my thoughts on that. Now you must know that they're my thoughts. And most of you that have watched these videos for months know that those are my thoughts. But I still think it's a little bit of a subject that's not talked about enough. So we'll talk about that, but we'll mostly focus on the technicals. So right now, Luna Classic, as you can see, we're relatively bullish. But what I already said in the last analysis, what seems to be the case with Luna Classic right now is that we are as bullish as the market if the market is crashing down, and it is less bullish when the market is going up. Like right now, you can see that we did find support at around this level, around 12,000, and we're also rallying, but we're rallying a little bit, and we're finding so much resistance at those resistance levels. First of all, around 13,000 yesterday, a little bit higher, and then right now we're struggling with 13,500, and it seems that we're not going to break above that soon. We'll get quite a lot of volatility from the market today because of the inflation rate, so we could still break out above that. But then again, it's just so dependent on the market, and if it's the case that it's dependent on the market and that it's less bullish if the market is bullish and as bearish if the market is bearish, that means that we're in a strong downtrend, right? So it's excuse me, there's some sort of a heavy noise vehicle coming by. So that's a problem, I think. And I think one of the big problems with Luna Classic right now is that, well, obviously we're maybe going to get that Luna Classic USTC, excuse me, repack proposal, but that's taking a long time, and there's no guarantee that that will work. It's just a signal proposal. So perhaps they just come out with, no, it's too difficult, Binance doesn't want it. And then what does Luna Classic have? And then if you take a look at the proposals, things like the burn tax review, bringing it up to 0.8 instead of 0.2, it's just a lot of people vote no, but a lot of people, there's quite a lot of no's with vetoes. So it just doesn't pass. And the one thing you need to do to revitalize Luna Classic is bring the price back up. If that's the case, more decentralized applications will be built on a network, on TERRA Classic, and then you can actually get some life into it. But they just don't want to. They just don't want to even look at that, and I think that's a problem. I think that's one of the biggest measures that need to change. And if that doesn't change, it's just unfortunately, I think we will be bullish at some times. We will rally, but unfortunately, the overall direction then is still down, which you can also see on the daily, has been our direction for a very long time. So purely technically, as I said today, if Bitcoin today is bullish, if the inflation rate is lower than expected, we can still rally. We'll probably rally all the way up to this level right here at around 14,500, 15,000, but we will not break above that. And if it's actually higher than expected, so if Bitcoin falls, we'll fall back down towards that 11,500 level very easily, I think. So that's my take on Luna Classic, both fundamentally and technically. Technically, we also just have to await the inflation rate. There's not a lot I can say about it right now. But this is at least my take for right now, for today. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.